This undo command is only in the computer, is only in the MS Office. This undo command, unfortunately, is not there in life. Now, what do I mean to say this? So, in life, something in computer, something goes wrong. You can always press the undo command, undo button, and you will be back to where you were. But in life, there is no undo command. So, something goes wrong in life. If we miss on an opportunity, there is no button that we can press and we come back to the same position as we were. And therefore, I would very strongly urge all of you to please feel free to interrupt me at any point in time, raise your questions, raise your doubt. Now, why do I say this? That there is no undo command in life, and let me start this session with a small story. It's not a story, it's a real thing that happened with me. Sometime back, I had a session in Dubai. So the gentleman who had organized that session, he asked me to be his guest. So I stayed with that family. Next day morning, when we were leaving for delivering the program, as I was about to step out of the door of the house, I heard the words of the young son of my host, and he was praying in front of the picture of Ganpati Bappa, and he was saying, "Hey Bhagwan, दुबई को हिंदुस्तान की राजधानी बना दो, हे भगवान दुबई को हिंदुस्तान की राजधानी बना दो, हे भगवान दुबई को हिंदुस्तान की राजधानी बना दो." So when I heard these words of prayers from this boy, I could not hold myself. So I went to that boy and I said, "What are you saying? What are you saying? कि दुबई को हिंदुस्तान की राजधानी बना दो. Are you planning to go into practice politics after some time?" So the child says, "No, uncle, I don't intend to go into politics." So I said, "Then why are you praying? What are you going to get by asking दुबई को हिंदुस्तान की राजधानी बना दो?" And the boy said, "Uncle, yesterday I had an exam, and in my exam there was a question कि हिंदुस्तान की राजधानी क्या है, और मैं दुबई लिख के आया हूँ. तो अगर दुबई हिंदुस्तान की राजधानी बन जाती है तो मेरा गलत क्वेश्चन सही आंसर हो जाएगा." So this is how it is in life. So once we miss on an opportunity, howsoever prayer we may make in front of the Lord, nothing is going to happen. And therefore, please make full use of this opportunity that we have today by asking as many questions as you wish.